Pixel 8. A is here, Google's affordable powerhouse. But with a price tag creeping close to the Pixel 8, is it still the bargain we hoped for? I'm breaking down everything, from its controversial thermal issues to that killer camera, in this full review. Design and build. Let's start with the design. The 8A keeps Google's signature camera bar and plastic back. But don't scoff. That matte finish feels premium, and the aluminum frame, solid. At 6.1 inches, it's compact and comfy, though those thick bezels scream mid-range. Oh, and it's IP67 rated, so rain or spills won't kill it. But the Pixel 8's IP68? Still king. Display upgrades. The screen, big upgrades, a 120Hz OLED, finally, with 1500 nit peak brightness. That's double the 7A's. HDR support? Check. Gorilla Glass 3? Size. Google, why not Victus? Performance and AI under the hood. The Tensor G3. Same chip as the Pixel 8 Pro. But here's the catch. Thermal throttling hits hard. Stress test this and it slows down faster than a budget laptop. But the AI features? Circle to search, real-time translation. They're all here. And 7 years of updates? Take that, Samsung. Camera deep dive narrator. Dramatic whisper. Now, the cameras. Google's magic strikes again. 64 megapixel main sensor. Stellar detail, perfect colors. 13 megapixel ultra-wide. Shockingly good for the price night mode. Brighter than your future portrait edge detection. Laughs. Still wonky, beat. Oh, and 4K video? Buttery smooth, even on the ultra-wide. Battery and charging battery life? 11 plus hours. Not bad. Charging speed? Painfully slow. 0 to 100% in over 2 hours? Google, it's 2024, like at least there's wireless charging. Narrator, balanced tone. So, should you buy it if you love Pixel cameras and hate bloatware? Maybe, but at this price, the regular Pixel 8 often goes on sale for less. Your call. Drop a like if this helped, subscribe for more real reviews, and tell me, Pixel 8A or Pixel 8? Let's argue in the comments.